Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Alright, so to study indents, first thing you have to do is you have to create a new activity. For doing that, you go to your files, you click on the new option, and you come way down, there's an option called activity, and then you click on empty activity, choose empty activity, okay? And then you can change your activity name, just change your activity name and just click finish. So it will take some time, so I have already created an activity. So once the activity is created, it will give you like two more options like activity main do.java and activity underscore main do.xml. So it will take some time for this activity to be loaded. Like when you click finish in the previous interface, it will start showing a status bar here will pop up showing this. Then it will like essentially it will be rebuilding a project. So for sake of this video's time, I have already created the two activities. So in my first activity, I'm going to create a button. So if we go to a design screen, we just drag and drop a button. Sorry, let's go to design screen. Just drag and drop a button here. Let me just constrain it. I'm not doing anything fancy, so I'm keeping the button as it is. Okay, let me just come to split screen. Let me just ID the button as BTN. You can give any ID you want, no issue. Now change the text of the button to go to next activity, right? So that will do with the coding of the first, designing of the first. Let me design the next activity. In this activity, I'll simply add a text view. So let me just edit the text view a bit before I constrain it. So just constrain it. So as I told you before, it's a good practice to change the ID first, then constrain it. So since this is a single widget, only a single widget is there in this activity, you can do it anywhere around the world. So whatever, first let me change the ID. After that, let me just change the width to like, I say 300 dp and height to like 40 dp. And let me just say the text is activity 2. So the text is not looking that really good. Let's do some tweaking here. Let's just make the text color black. Text color to black is 000. It's looking fine. Let's just change the size, text size to like 17 dp. Yeah, that would do. Let's change the gravity to center. Yeah, it's looking fine. So we have a second activity done. So then you go to your first activity and you go to main activity.java. You can also find it here in this option, right? Go to Java project to expand the first entry and go to main activity.java. Here first you have to define a button because you added a button in your first activity. So rename your button like so, call your button. So create an object for the button btn, and btn is equal to find view by id dot id dot, what was the name we gave? btn, correct? Id we gave btn. So now what should happen? btn dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. We add the code for indent is equal to new indent from activity main activity dot this main activity dot this to main to activity, correct? Main to activity dot class, and this start activity indent. That's it. Let's run and see. It's taking some time to build. So I'll just pause the video so I'm not wasting your time. Okay, come back. Okay, here's the. So when I press on the go to next activity button, it will go to activity number 2. And when I press my back button, you come back to activity 1. So this way you can traverse from one activity to another activity. Alright, so that's it. Hope you understood.